Hello, I'm Micheal Londo, founder and CEO of Body Balance System. Thank you for taking a moment to learn more about our company and putting your trust in us for your wellness and technology needs. Body Balance System began in 2004 as a quest to provide practitioners and end users advanced health and wellness devices, utilizing advanced technology of the highest quality, ultimate safety, and maximum value. Since then, we have done just that with over 14,000 detoxification units sold and counting. Practitioners around the world have put their faith and trust in Body Balance. Our customer service is unparalleled, and we proudly make every unit here in the USA in one of our 2 locations, with production and quality assurance led by a U.S. Army veteran. Within the last several years, Body Balance has continued its innovations in the areas of detoxification, assimilation, and elimination as it embarks in its newest suite of products, the Slim Sculpt Inch Loss Systems. From our portable pad system to our one-of-a-kind Slim Sculpt medical bed. Practitioners around the country are raving not only about our client results, but their dramatic increase with their overall bottom line. The Slim Sculpt systems provide an immediate ROI while requiring minimal staff involvement. We look forward to a long-term partnership with your practice and thank you again for your purchase.